In today's video, I'm going to give you a full beginner's guide to the Wide Bundles Quantity Breaks Shopify app. So let's get right into it. Well, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is go to the Shopify app store, find the app here, and just go ahead and press install like this. So once we've done that, it's going to open up your Shopify store, and there's going to be another pop-up that says install, just like this. Click that, and we're ready to get started. Now from here, it's going to ask you to select a plan. You've got two different plans here, basic and advanced. Pick which one's best for you, and then go ahead, click select plan. And both of them have a 14-day free trial. Once you've done that, it's going to take you through to the billing section here, just approve that, and note that it will charge you that amount after 14 days. After that, it will ask you for some onboarding stuff. Just put this wherever you want. And then here we are ready to go. So the first thing we need to go ahead and do is activate it on our theme. And to do that, it's very simple. Click on the activate button here. It's going to go ahead and open up your Shopify store, just like this. And on the left hand side, you're going to want to go ahead and turn on the Wide Bundle app, just like that. What I also recommend doing is going ahead and finding any other bundle apps that you might have, and just turning them off so that it works well and it works correctly. Once you've done that, go ahead, press save, and you're ready to go to the next step. So once we've done that, we can just press reload, and you're going to see now that it's verified, it is enabled on your store. So the next thing it's going to ask you to do is add your first offer. So we're going to go ahead and click on the add offers section here, and it's going to ask you what product you want to go ahead and add an offer to. So just select your product, and it's going to ask you the method to add offers. You can use the offer creator, or you can synchronize offers. We'll start off with the offer creator, and you can also press this if you want. So press continue, and here it's going to go ahead and ask you for some different settings. So first of all, you have the heading. You can just put something in there like select your offer or select your bundle, that kind of thing. Anything in there like that. You can put this on the home page if you want to, and then you're going to go ahead and put your different offers in, or different bundles in. So first of all, you can put something like 1 times item, and you can put a thumbnail in here. So the way you go ahead and do that is quite simple. What you can do is just go to Shopify on just your main dashboard, and if you go over to content, you can go over to where it says files. From here, you're actually able to upload a file, and then once you've uploaded it, you should see across here you can go ahead and actually go to the link here. You can click copy. Then we go back to the app, we can actually paste that in there, and you can see the logo or the icon's going to come up there, just like that. Now here we've got the price. This is going to be in our currency. And next up, we're going to have the compare price. So this is the old price that it might have been. So put that there. And you're going to see it's going to be crossed out just like this. You also got the option here to use price per unit instead of just the overall price. You can also select things like colors. So we could put a color field here. We could say blue, red, black, brown. And that's going to add this box here. But you can also do it with something else like sizing. And you can also add other options here. So we can have size, S, M, L, XL. So that way people have the different colors, the different selectors here. So you can add as many selectors as you want. You can also add some kind of custom sentence after it. So you could say like most popular. And you can select where you want it to be put. Looks pretty good. You can even add an effect, so blinking, something like that. You can then select to pre-select the offer if you want to, and you can add another offer. So this next offer will be below this here. So we could say 2x item, and we could put all the same details in there and add the second bit to our bundle, just like that. We can then go ahead and click the generate offers bit. Make sure you have everything filled in. I'm just going to turn that off, generate offers. And there we go, it should start generating the offers. So what that will have done now, if you go to the product page, it will have actually added all of those variants that we've just created there. This just allows it to stay organized and that kind of thing. After that, it's going to ask us to check app rendering. So basically you just want to go to your product page and make sure it looks good. I'm going to click on this link here. And once loaded, we'll just see if it all looks fine. So you can see there, Looks pretty good. There's a bit of weird formatting here, but you can see the add to cart button works, and everything's good to go really with that. Next up, we're going to go to settings, and we're going to change the designs up a little bit. So there's a few different widget designs here. It's going to show you what it looks like here. So we've got the classic one, we've got vertical, minimal, royal, solid, and elegant. And you can go ahead and select which one you like here. You've also got add to cart buttons, so you can change the color, you can change where it directs to. See, we can go here, we can change to this, for example. And then you can change the hover color. You've just got a load of different things you can do there. Enable out of stock. Grab this now. If you type text in there, see it's going to change. You can select different things here about the offers, so the colors, all of that kind of stuff. You've got the quantity. You can enable a quantity button if you want to. Then you've got some general settings here. You've got custom CSS. Just all this stuff you can mess around with. And then you've got swatch color here, so you can change the colors, all that stuff. Once we're done, we can go ahead and press save, and that is changed. If we refresh, it should have changed now on our site. You see, there we go, it's changed, looking good. And the last thing it wants us to do is finish setting up our offers. So you can just go ahead and essentially set up all the different offers for all the different products that you actually have. It's as simple as that. Now, the other thing that you might want to go ahead and do is go over to integrations. They've got a few different things they integrate with, stuff like Pagefly, GDPR, subscriptions. All that kind of stuff is, pretty easy to use. And you can also go ahead and change your subscription plan here. Now, one more thing you might want to do is if we go to online store, go to themes, go to customize, we can go ahead and let me just click on this product page here. We can go ahead and we can actually add a block, and depending on what you've got set up, you sometimes can add blocks here for the app. Now this one doesn't seem to have any, but they might change that in the future, so they might allow you to add blocks in different places. But you can see you can do stuff like turn off the dynamic checkout buttons here, just like that, to make it look a bit better. But that is basically how you go ahead and use the Wide Bundles Shopify app. If you have any questions about this, then please let me know down below and I will try to make a video about it. But if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below that the video helped you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.